Enjoy the lovely setting and privacy of this unique, no-fee townhome, which is a wonderful alternative to a condo. Formal entrance with guest bath opens to spacious great room west/wood burning fireplace and French doors to a private patio west/mature landscaping. The long galley-style kitchen offers all of your needs for cooking. Stairs lead to a spacious primary bedroom west/generously sized closet. The tiled large primary BTH with 2 sinks opens to hallway as well and offers an additional closet and laundry area. A nice sized second bedroom provides space for a guest or an office.